The Ban Gioc Waterfall is one of the most stunning natural wonders of Vietnam, located in the province of Cao Bang, near the border with China. This breathtaking waterfall is an impressive sight of the force and beauty of nature, with crystal-clear waters cascading majestically between verdant cliffs. The Ban Gioc Waterfall is fed by the Quay Son River, which flows gently through the highlands before plunging into a series of spectacular falls, creating a truly captivating landscape. The area around Ban Gioc Waterfall is characterized by untouched and wild beauty, with mountains covered in lush forests and green fields stretching as far as the eye can see. The scenery is simply stunning and offers visitors the opportunity to deeply connect with nature while exploring the waterfall's surroundings. In addition to its impressive natural beauty, Ban Gioc Waterfall holds cultural and historical significance for local inhabitants. It is considered a natural border between Vietnam and China and has played an important role throughout history, influencing trade, culture, and interactions between the two nations. For visitors, Ban Gioc Waterfall offers a variety of exciting activities, from simply admiring its stunning beauty to swimming in the refreshing waters or taking boat tours along the river for a closer view of the waterfalls. There are also hiking trails that take adventurers through the surrounding landscape, providing an even more intimate experience with nature. In summary, Ban Gioc Waterfall is a natural treasure of Vietnam, a stunning jewel that captivates visitors with its magnificent beauty and cultural and historical significance. It is a must-visit destination for anyone traveling to the region, offering a unique and unforgettable experience amidst the untouched beauty of nature.